fellow food lovers. Get ready to tantalize your taste buds as we embark on a vegan voyage through the bustling streets of Brazil. This place is a haven for plant-based eaters, boasting an array of culinary gems that cater to every craving. From casual cafes to upscale restaurants, Brazil has it all. Get ready to uncover hidden treasures, savor innovative dishes, and experience the true vibrancy of the vegan scene. Brazil's vegan scene is a testament to the growing global movement towards compassionate and sustainable living. With a wide array of options, it's easier than ever to embrace a plant-based lifestyle. Whether you're a seasoned vegan or simply curious to explore, this city welcomes you with open arms and a smorgasbord of deliciousness. One of the most exciting aspects of Brazil's vegan scene is its sheer diversity. From traditional comfort food to exotic international flavors, there's something to satisfy every palate. Whether you're craving a hearty burger, a creamy pasta dish, or a light and refreshing salad, you'll find it all here. So, loosen your belts, grab your forks, and get ready to dive into a world of flavor. Join me as we uncover the best vegan eats Brazil has to offer. Your taste buds will thank you. Our first stop takes us to Abundant Acres, a charming farm-to-table restaurant nestled in the heart of the city. True to its name, Abundant Acres boasts a menu overflowing with fresh, locally sourced ingredients. The restaurant's commitment to sustainability is evident in every aspect, from the reclaimed wood tables to the compostable takeout containers. Step inside, and you'll be greeted by a warm and inviting atmosphere. The aroma of fresh herbs and spices wafts through the air, instantly whetting your appetite. The rustic chic decor, with its exposed brick walls and twinkling fairy lights, creates a cozy and intimate ambiance. Abundant Acres menu changes seasonally to showcase the freshest produce available. Their signature dish, the Harvest Bowl, is a must-try. Picture this: a bed of fluffy quinoa topped with roasted seasonal vegetables, creamy avocado, crunchy sprouts, and a tangy lemon tahini dressing. But don't just stop at the Harvest Bowl. Be sure to sample their tantalizing appetizers, like the crispy Brussels sprouts with a maple sriracha glaze, or the creamy cashew cheese dip served with crusty bread. And for dessert, their decadent chocolate avocado mousse is sure to satisfy your sweet tooth. Next, we venture to the Green Table, a cozy cafe known for its simple yet flavorful vegan fare. This family-run establishment has been a staple in the community for years, beloved for its friendly service and commitment to using organic ingredients. The Green Table is the perfect spot to grab a quick and healthy lunch or enjoy a leisurely brunch with friends. The menu at the Green Table is all about fresh, wholesome ingredients prepared with care. Their signature dish, the Green Table Bowl, is a testament to their philosophy. This colorful bowl features a bed of mixed greens, quinoa, roasted chickpeas, sweet potato, avocado, and a zesty lemon herb dressing. But don't be fooled by the simplicity of the menu. Each dish is bursting with flavor and carefully crafted to provide a satisfying and nourishing meal. Their sandwiches are also a must-try, particularly the tempeh Reuben with its tangy sauerkraut and creamy Russian dressing. The Green Table is more than just a restaurant. It's a community hub where people come together to enjoy delicious food and connect with like-minded individuals. The cozy and welcoming atmosphere makes you feel right at home. Prepare your sweet tooth for Blissful Bites, a vegan bakery that will rock your world. This delightful bakery specializes in crafting mouthwatering treats that are as beautiful as they are delicious. From cakes and cupcakes to cookies and pastries, Blissful Bites has something to satisfy every sweet craving. Step inside, and you'll be greeted by a symphony of colors and aromas. Glass cases display an array of tempting treats, each more enticing than the last. The air is thick with the scent of freshly baked cookies, vanilla bean frosting, and cinnamon swirls. Blissful Bites' claim to fame is their incredible cakes. Whether you're celebrating a special occasion or simply craving a sweet indulgence, their cakes are guaranteed to impress. From classic flavors like chocolate and vanilla to more adventurous options like lavender lemon and matcha raspberry, each cake is a work of art. But don't just stop at the cakes. Be sure to sample their other delectable treats, like their soft and chewy chocolate chip cookies, their gooey cinnamon rolls, or their decadent chocolate truffles. Blissful Bites is a must-visit for anyone with a sweet tooth. Get ready for a fiesta in your mouth at Viva Vegan, a lively Mexican restaurant that's bursting with flavor. This vibrant eatery is a celebration of Mexican cuisine with a vegan twist. From sizzling fajitas to cheesy enchiladas, Viva Vegan proves that you don't need meat to enjoy authentic Mexican flavors. Step inside and you'll be transported to a bustling cantina in the heart of Mexico City. The walls are adorned with colorful murals, the air is filled with the sounds of mariachi music, and the aroma of spices fills your senses. Viva Vegan's menu is a testament to the versatility of Mexican cuisine. Their tacos are a must-try, with a variety of fillings to choose from, including jackfruit carnitas, spicy chorizo tofu, and grilled portobello mushrooms. Each taco is served on a warm corn tortilla and topped with fresh cilantro, onions, and a squeeze of lime. But don't just stop at the tacos. Be sure to sample their other specialties, like their sizzling fajitas served with all the fixings, their cheesy enchiladas smothered in a rich tomato sauce, or their hearty burrito bowls packed with rice, beans, and your choice of fillings. Our culinary journey takes us to the Ethnic Enclave, a unique food hall that celebrates the diverse flavors of the world, all through a vegan lens. This culinary melting pot features a rotating selection of vendors, each specializing in a different cuisine. Step inside and you'll be greeted by a feast for the senses. The air is thick with the aroma of spices from around the globe, from the fragrant curries of India to the smoky spices of North Africa. Each vendor's stall is a visual delight, adorned with decorations that reflect their unique culinary heritage. The beauty of the Ethnic Enclave lies in its variety. You can sample a different cuisine at each stall, taking your taste buds on a global adventure. One day you might find yourself indulging in a steaming bowl of Vietnamese pho, while the next day you could be savoring the rich flavors of Ethiopian injera. The Ethnic Enclave is a testament to the fact that vegan food knows no bounds. It's a place where you can explore the world, one delicious bite at a time. Nestled on a quiet side street, the plant-based plate is a hidden gem that exudes warmth and charm. This intimate restaurant feels like a home away from home, with its cozy decor, friendly service, and comforting vegan fare. Step inside and you'll be greeted by the aroma of freshly baked bread and simmering soups. The restaurant's rustic chic decor, with its exposed brick walls, wooden tables, and soft lighting, creates a warm and inviting ambiance. The plant-based plate's menu changes seasonally, but you can always expect to find a selection of comforting soups, hearty stews, and flavorful grain bowls. Their signature dish, the plant-based plate, is a must-try. This hearty platter features a rotating selection of seasonal vegetables, grains, and legumes, all cooked to perfection and bursting with flavor. But don't just stop at the main courses. The plant-based plate also offers a selection of delectable desserts, like their warm apple crumble with a scoop of vegan vanilla ice cream or their rich chocolate avocado mousse. For those seeking a dining experience that aligns with their values, look no further than Ethical Eats. This restaurant takes pride in its commitment to ethical sourcing, sustainability, and animal welfare. From the moment you step inside, you'll be struck by Ethical Eats' commitment to creating a conscious dining experience. The restaurant's minimalist decor, with its natural wood accents and soft lighting, creates a serene and inviting atmosphere. Ethical Eats' menu is a testament to their philosophy that delicious food can also be kind to the planet and its inhabitants. They source their ingredients from local farmers and suppliers who share their commitment to sustainability and ethical practices. Their menu changes seasonally to reflect the freshest produce available. Some of Ethical Eats' standout dishes include their pan-seared tofu steak, served with roasted root vegetables and a red wine reduction, their hearty lentil shepherd's pie with a creamy mashed potato topping, and their flavorful jackfruit tacos with all the fixings. Eating vegan doesn't have to break the bank, as the frugal foodie so aptly demonstrates. This budget-friendly eatery proves that you can enjoy delicious and satisfying vegan meals without spending a fortune. Don't let the affordable prices fool you. The frugal foodie doesn't skimp on flavor or quality. Their menu features a variety of vegan staples, from hearty burgers and sandwiches to flavorful wraps and salads. They also offer a daily soup and salad bar, where you can load up on fresh vegetables, grains, and legumes. Some of the frugal foodie's most popular dishes include their Big Vegan Burger, a hearty patty made with beans, grains, and vegetables, served on a toasted bun with all the fixings, their Tofu Scramble Wrap, a flavorful scramble of tofu, vegetables, and spices wrapped in a warm tortilla, and their Buddha Bowl, a colorful and nutritious bowl packed with quinoa, roasted vegetables, chickpeas, and a tahini dressing. The frugal foodie is a great option for students, budget-conscious diners, or anyone looking for a quick and affordable vegan meal without sacrificing flavor. As our culinary journey comes to an end, one thing is clear, is a vegan paradise. With its diverse culinary scene, commitment to sustainability, and abundance of delicious plant-based options, this city has something to offer every type of vegan foodie. Whether you're a seasoned vegan or simply curious to explore the world of plant-based cuisine, is the perfect destination. From farm-to-table restaurants to cozy cafes, from ethical eateries to budget-friendly options, the possibilities are endless. So what are you waiting for? Grab your friends, put on your stretchy pants, and embark on a vegan culinary adventure in. Your taste buds will thank you. Don't forget to subscribe for more culinary adventures.